Okay, so this is the back of the notes. I'm going to continue the notes. The sign to the left, of the number goes with the number. For example, if you look at the example, the 2y is a negative because that sign to the left of the number is associated with the number. So that's what we would say is a negative. The subtraction sign is used as a negative and a subtraction sign. So just always remember that. If not, you're going to be forgetting your signs. So a suggestion I have is always circle the sign to the left when you're circling your like terms. So the first step when combining like terms is you always distribute. You want to get rid of those parentheses. So your first step is always distribute. The second step is to put all like terms together at a time. So put like all your x's together, all your y's together. So the second step is put all like terms together at the same time. So put all your x's together, then go to your y's. I wouldn't try to do two at the same time. Then you're going to write the terms all together in one equation or expression, depending. So those are your 3 steps that you will continue to do the entire time. That does not change. All right. So our first example, as you can see, is 18 plus 6 times 9x minus 13. So the first thing you are going to do is distribute. So the 6 times the 9 and the 6 times the negative 13. And be careful, that's a negative 13. So I'm going to write the 18 plus 6 times 9, 54k, and the k stays with that. And then minus 6 times 13. You can do this in your head. 6 times 10 is 60. 6 times 3 is 18. So that is 78. All right. Once you've got to this point, you are now going to combine those like terms. And there's no other k's, so you're just going to leave that as 54k. And then you have 18 minus 78, which leaves you with negative 60 or minus 60, however you like to look at it. All right, our next example, first we're going to distribute. So we're going to distribute that 2 to the x and the 2 to the 2. So we have x minus 3 plus 2x plus 4, because I did 2 times x and then 2 times 2, which makes 4. Once we're to this point, we are now going to put together our like terms. So I'm going to put my x's together first. So I'm putting an x with a plus 2x or a positive 2x. So that makes a total of 3x. And I'm going to put a box around the other one. So negative 3 plus 4 or negative 3 positive 4. So that leaves me with plus 1. And that is as far as that can go. That is your final answer. I ask that you do the next 2 and get them checked.